Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Woo! Are you gonna attack?
I don't know.
Oh! This week I went solo to the Blue Ridge Rock Festival to find what the hype was all about. You're not gonna want to miss this one.
Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Look at me. I am the vlogger now. I know you usually hear from Marissa because I'm not very good at this. She usually takes the reins, but I'm all you got right now. I'm here in Alton, Virginia, going to the Blue Ridge Rock Festival, spending the next 4 days camping and everything. So first up, I need to go get some camping supplies. Wet out, just started pouring. I think I got everything I need. The only thing I couldn't find that was on my list is zip ties, but hopefully duct tape will work. After passing the extensive security check, you get to drive your car on the raceway. While waiting in line for a campsite, it quickly got dark, so I decided to start fresh the next day. When it comes time for lunch, the best part is you can just sit on the grass and watch the show. Data remembers that they're sound checking right now. This is my in-vehicle camping setup. I've got my clothes right here. I got all my toothpaste and Advil and lotion and stuff, and then sunscreen, bug spray, water, food. That's pretty much all I need in here. But as far as a recap for yesterday, it was unbelievable. Bucket list for sure would be Ice Cube. The best performance for me yesterday was Norma Jean, followed by Alpha Wolf, followed by Comeback Kid, followed by Unearth. Today is going to be pretty insane just because I'm going to be, for the most part, just at one single stage because every band that I love is playing that stage. Yesterday I tried to find food in the campground, couldn't find any. Struck out, but this morning I took a walk the other way and just so happened to find them, so I grabbed the peanut butter banana smoothie. I'm going to get ready for the day. Gates don't open till about noon time, so got a few hours. Think I'm going to edit a little. All in all, I'd say yesterday was an incredible success. Definitely recommend coming to Blue Ridge Rock Fest sometime in the future if you haven't already. Definitely camp. I highly recommend camping. People who come to this from off-site have to park their car, I think like 5 miles or so, and then they take a shuttle, and I guess the shuttle was sort of a nightmare yesterday. And also I guess that they didn't mail wristbands to some people for whatever reason. Or mailed the incorrect wristbands. So I had to wait hours in will call to get the right wristbands. Yesterday I was able to just get right in. Hope it's the same story today, but it was a good day yesterday. Excuse me 1 minute. We're gonna be uploading day 2 tomorrow, day 3 the next day, day 4 the following day. So you don't miss out on those. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and then put the notification bell on so that it tells you when we upload. Anywho, see you tomorrow. Blue Ridge Rock Fest Day 2.